this is Cana, our little sister. She's 2. She's going to be doing an animal sounds book where she says all the sounds. It's really cute.
Okay, you ready, Cana? What does the dog say? Okay. What does the cat say? Okay. The little mouse says. What does the pig say? The little pig says. Cow says. The goose says. What about the rooster? What do the chickens say? Do the chickens? What do the chickens say?
What's on your? It's okay.
The little chicks
I'm
say.
messing up the camera.
What do the ducks say? What does the horse say? What does the horse say? The flies say. Buzz. What do the frogs say?
You're squeezing me.
What about the bees? Buzz. What does the crow say? The little birds say. Tweet, tweet. The turkey says. Gobble, gobble, gobble. The donkey says. What about the sheep? And the goat says.
Mama.
And what do the owls say?